guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have another baking soda video. Another baking soda nail hack video. If you guys don't know, I've been doing these hacks for a really long time, but I'm going to show you a step-by-step because we got a bunch of new followers. I mean thousands of you guys subscribing, so I want to do a little step-by-step. So in this video you'll hear me talking step-by-step of what not to do and what to do to get your nails done by using cheaper products and affordable products. It's not going to be a long video, so you guys can just follow along. Super easy to do, I promise you. But at the end of the day, I always say try these hacks at your own risk because you don't know what you're allergic to. I don't know what you're allergic to. I just know that it works for me, and this is what I've been doing for years. And then in the next upcoming videos, I've been seeing you guys' comments. I promise I've been seeing them. I'm not ignoring them. It just takes me a while to get these videos recorded and out for you guys, but I am in the process of recording that video of soaking off a set so that way you guys can see kind of how you soak them off and you take them off easy. Now I just use acetone, but I am going to show you step by step for those that are new and those that don't know how to soak off nails just in general, or just learning how to do nails. Another little disclaimer that I wanted to say, I've been getting a lot of comments saying about contact dermatitis, and I just want you guys to know something. I am a licensed nail tech for 12 years, and trust me, I know all about contact dermatitis. But another thing that I want to explain, because we are YouTubers and there's also TikTok and all these other platforms, I want to say that even if you buy a gel nail kit off of Amazon or eBay, wherever you buy it off of, you can get contact dermatitis. It doesn't have to only be baking soda. You can get contact dermatitis from Clorox. You can get it from gel polish. You can get it from acrylic monomer, acrylic powder. You can get contact dermatitis from just regular nail products. A lot of people on here and also on TikTok are commenting saying that you can buy a nail kit at Walmart for $9. You can get contact dermatitis from that nail kit as well. It is an acrylic, it is a chemical that is going on your skin, it's going on your nails. So I just want to put that out there that a little bit of baking soda probably ain't gonna hurt you. It ain't hurt me and it's been years. So I mean, like I said, take it as your own risk, but you can get, I would like, and I want to say this because it's a lot of nail techs that are really angry with these nail hacks, and I completely get it. You're a nail tech, whatever. I'm a nail tech as well, licensed for 12 years, like I said. But at the end of the day, if we're going to talk about one thing, we should talk about it all, and we should make it known that even regular nail products can give you contact dermatitis. They can actually give you contact dermatitis a lot quicker than using baking soda, if you didn't know that. But see, we're not going to talk about that because most of those people that are telling you to go buy that $20 kit off of Amazon, that gel polish, or just any company that is sponsoring them, and I know because I've been sponsored by many companies, those products as well can give you contact dermatitis. Will I tell you not to use them? No, because they're nail products and they're good nail products. Now, if you use them the wrong way, will you get contact dermatitis? Yes, even if you use them the right way. There's times where I've seen people have contact dermatitis through here for putting their hand in the acrylic monomer paper towel that they've been using. So I just want to put that out there that if it works for one, it works for the other. And I also want to say, if we're going to talk about one, let's talk about it all. See, but we're not probably going to go there because a lot of you guys that are commenting about contact dermatitis are nail techs and aren't going to talk about that side of the things because, of course, you do this for work, and I completely get it. I'm not trying to take nobody's job away from them. I'm just trying to show people how to live a little bit more frugal because that's what I like to do. I live a frugal life. But anyways, I just wanted to give that quick little disclaimer. I love you guys so much, and sorry to talk your ears off. I just wanted to give that little disclaimer to you guys that you can get contact dermatitis from nail products as well. And that is the most that people get contact dermatitis is through that and HEMA, which is a type of chemical in gel polishes and all the other types of stuff that we use on our nails. But You don't have to use this nail hack. I am just showing you what works for me and what I like and what saves me money. If you don't want to use it, you do not have to. Another thing is, I try not to use so much acrylic because it makes me like, just gives me stuff in this area and I don't like it. So I actually stopped using it for a while. I use it sometimes, but if I can steer away from it, I will use baking soda 100 times over. But I love you guys, and I know I did that little disclaimer real quick. I will see you in the next videos coming very soon. I see your guys' requests and I'm going to do them. I'm working on it. And let's get into this video. Love you guys. I'm going to go in and find all the nail tips that fit my size. Now you want to make sure that when you're checking your nail tips, they are fitting sidewall to sidewall. And sidewall to sidewall is from one side of your nail to the other side of the nail. Not from the free edge. The free edge is where the tip starts and the cuticle is up where you kind of clean the skin. I'm trying to give you guys an idea of where everything is. I'll probably put like a little drawing in the next couple of videos so you guys can see. But I'm just making sure they fit, and you don't want them to be too tight because they will lift, and you don't want them to be too loose because it will also lift. Once we find all the nail tips that fit us, we're going to go in with the nail file, and I'm just using the Diamond Cosmetics nail file. You can use whatever nail file you have, whatever you find, whether it's at Walmart, anywhere. And I'm just going to prep the nails. Now this is a huge step that you have to do correctly, because if you don't, all the nails will lift, all of them will come off, and it won't last not even a day. Now if you have a nail drill, it definitely works a lot better. I don't recommend using the nail drill on the actual baking soda, but I recommend it if you are going to prep your nails. But the nail file works wonders if you are learning. So I definitely recommend a nail file as well. Now, if you are a little bit more known with the nail drill, then be my guest. But if you are learning, I would suggest starting out with a nail file. Once I get done with that, I'm going to glue on my nails. I don't use any primer for this hack, but if you wanted to use something, you can use acetone or alcohol to clean the nail bed so they can become extra matte. Once I get done with that, I'm going to go ahead and just shape the nails to what I want. If you want to do a short almond, if you want to do short nails, long nails, however you want to do them, you can do them at this step right here, so that way you can get your shape and your length that you want. Once I get done filing, I'm going to go in with the baking soda, and I'm just using Arm & Hammer. You can use whichever one you have. Any baking soda works good for this. I've used many different ones and they all work really, really good. I'm going to go in and start from the free edge going up to the cuticle, kind of like a dip method. If I was going a little bit shorter, I would paint the whole nail, and if I was going just a medium length, I would start from the middle and then go all the way up to the cuticle. Also remember to have a duster brush. If you don't have a duster brush or any type of brush, you can use a toothbrush or even a hairbrush, something that has kind of a soft bristle, just to get into the edges, because if you keep dipping into the baking soda and you do not dust off your nail, what's going to happen is every time you dip your brush back into the baking soda, it's going to completely dry out your brush, because once the nail glue comes in contact with the baking soda, it is going to completely dry and fast, like kind of a hard acrylic. So you want to make sure you are dusting off the nail super good, even if you have to use a toothbrush and like brush it, I definitely recommend it so that way your brush doesn't harden, so you can do even more sets than what you can do if you only have one time to use your nail glue. You want to use it multiple times, not just once. Even though the nail glue is only $1.25 sometimes, or you can even find them for $2 at Family Dollar or Walmart, CVS. Any brush on nail glue or any nail glue, not crazy glue, not Gorilla Glue. This is nail glue, you guys. Do not use any other type of glue but nail glue. Another thing I would say is that you can do your desired thickness that you like. I like mine a little bit thicker, kind of like an acrylic nail. If you go thinner, just remember that apex has to be built up so that way it can have a good strength and not break off in the middle. Your apex is where your free edge is. You want that to be a good thickness. So that's why I start from the free edge up. So that way my cuticle, when I go to file, it can be very flush with my nail. You don't want it to be big or thick because then it's just going to look like a hot mess. And now you can go in with whatever design that you want. If you want to use gel polish, you can, but in most of these hacks I use a regular polish so that way it can be a budget nail tutorial and not so much one where you have to have a lamp to cure or any of that, which is why I won't catch contact dermatitis. I just use a regular nail polish, a regular top coat. I also use eyeshadows and things like that to just make my life a little bit easier. That is what I'm using here. I got this eyeshadow from Dollar Tree, and the top coat that I used is a matte top coat from Dollar Tree as well. It was the Julie something, and it was actually on sale from the Dollar Tree. It was like 50 cents or something. They had it in like a little cart. They had hundreds of them. I guess it didn't really sell, but I like it. I don't know why they would go on sale, but I like it. And I just put that matte top coat a little bit. I didn't let it dry completely. I let it dry a little bit and then started doing this just so that way it can have something to hold on to. Most of my nail polishes and also my striping polishes, I get them from the Dollar Tree, and my Kiss top coat, I also got that from the Dollar Tree. And the reason why is because it is a lot cheaper at the Dollar Tree. Now, I'll give you a little tip. If you go to Walmart, Walmart has LA Colors nail polishes for 97 cents, and they are the best. I love LA Colors, Kiss. Those nail polishes are one of the best. They dry super quick and you can go in and use your top coat really quick, which is what I like. I also like to put 2 and 3 coats of top coat. Sometimes you won't see me do it in the video and sometimes you will. And the reason why I like to do that is so it can get a nice smooth surface and not be like so grainy. Sometimes if you just put 1 coat of top coat, it will be very grainy. Another thing is these gems. I actually got them from Walmart and they were $5 for this whole little pack of gems, which was really, really nice. But I truly hope that you guys enjoyed this step-by-step and are learning this process, because it is one of the best nail hacks ever and I love using it. I still use it. I use it to this day. If I have to go out and do my nails, I will use it. Now, I do record a lot of videos for you guys, so I do use a peel-off base coat. But if I have to go out, this is what I'm using to go out, because they are just so beautiful and it doesn't make me itch. It doesn't make me anything. And that is the reason why I like to use them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I love y'all so much. I will see you in my next video, which will probably be removing them.
round thighs, I got you. Hands up high, let me put cuffs on you. You know, I swear I adore you, and I will make you my wife. Put the love on me. I like that melanin. You got that melanin. Merito, merito. Merito, merito. Merito, merito. Merito, yeah. Umano, umano. Merito, merito. Umano, umano. Merito, merito. Melano, umano. Merito, merito. Umano, umano. Umano, umano. Merito, merito. Umano, umano. Umano, umano. Merito, merito. Merito, merito. Umano, umano. Merito, merito. Umano, umano. Merito, merito. Melano, umano. Merito, merito. Yeah, 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 yeah. Take, 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 take it all off, yeah. Make me go insane. You making me see, yeah. I want you to scream, yeah. I like that melanin. Na 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 na. She got that melanin. La 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 la. Umano, umano. Merito, merito. Umano, umano. Merito, merito. Melano, umano. Merito, merito. Umano, umano. First time I laid eyes upon you, big smile and round thighs, I caught you. Hands up high, let me put